Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, creating a Send To shortcut, I'm going to show you how you can add any location on your computer that you'd like to the Send To menu. The Send To menu in Windows is incredibly useful. Right now I have my Eclipse Jobs folder open. This is Documents Eclipse Ashley, and this is where I store my files. And on my desktop here, I have a PDF folder. And in this folder, I have the PDF file that goes with this job. And right now they're in different places. I could copy and paste or click and drag. However, what I can also do is simply right-click on the PDF, choose Send To, and then select Ashley. And that PDF now shows up in my job folder. The Send To menu will automatically copy and paste files from wherever they are when you right-click on them and send them directly to the Send To location. Eclipse automatically adds Send To shortcuts for all of your users in Eclipse. However, you can modify this list of Send To shortcuts to add any custom locations that you'd like. So what I'm going to do is close out of these windows. And next I need to open up the Run Command Dialog. To do that, I can click Start and type in Run, or I can hit the Windows key and the letter R together, and that will also open the Run Dialog command box. In this window, there may be some text entered where it says Open already, and that's fine. That is just pre-filled from however this window was used last time. I'm going to backspace out of that. I'm going to type in the word shell, Send To. And so what this is going to do is tell Windows to open the Send To folder that contains all of my Send To shortcuts. So I'll press OK. And now you see that my Microsoft Windows Send To shortcut folder has opened up. So instead of having to browse to this location, which is C Users, Ashley, App Data, Roaming, Microsoft Windows, and then Send To, I was able to use the Run command to just go directly there by typing in shell Send To. So once I have the Send To window open, I can remove any existing shortcut by just right-clicking and choosing Delete, but I can also add shortcuts. I can right-click, choose New, and select Shortcut. In the window that comes up, it's going to ask me to choose the location of the folder that I want to create a shortcut to. So I'm going to click Browse. For this example, I'm going to choose Dropbox, and then I'm going to choose my Scopist folder. I'll press OK, and you see that it has C Users, Ashley, Dropbox, and then Scopist, and I can press Next. And if desired, I can type a new name for this shortcut in case I don't want to call it just Scopist. I can, for instance, call it Scopist, parentheses Dropbox, to specify that this is the Scopist folder within my Dropbox. I'll press Finish, and now I have a shortcut here for my Scopist folder, which specifies that it's in Dropbox. And if I open this up, it takes me right to my Dropbox location inside of that Scopist folder. What I can do now is select any file, and if I choose these Alfred job files as examples, I can highlight all of them, right-click, Send To, and then select Scopist Dropbox. And now if I go to my Dropbox folder, to the Scopist folder, you see that all three of those files are there, and they were sent directly over. And so I can do this with any file that I need to. I can also do this with entire folders. So here I have a folder called Files. If I right-click, choose Send To, and select Scopist, it will take a moment to copy that entire folder. And once it does that, that Files folder is here, and it contains all of the same content that you would see in this folder on the desktop. It has simply made a copy of it in the location that I specified in the Send To menu. And I can do the same thing, just right-click on my whole PDFs folder, Send To, Scopist, Dropbox, and now that PDF folder is here as well. And so you can use the Send To system to make shortcuts anywhere on your computer that you visit and move files between frequently, to cut down on clicks and keystrokes, but also to help avoid errors. When you use the send to shortcuts, you know that things are always going back and forth to the same folders, and so you can always be sure of where everything is. As a reminder, Advantage offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. If you enjoy the channel, don't forget to hit the link in the description to submit your idea for any topics that you would like to see covered. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.